If you've been scrolling through Instagram or TikTok lately, you've probably stumbled across those shiny, too perfect ads for Amara Madison Jewelry. The ones promising waterproof luxury, 18K gold plating, and discounts so huge they almost feel like a dare. But today we're digging into whether this brand is actually delivering high-end value or just selling a fantasy. After looking deeper into the claims, a lot of things didn't really line up with the marketing. Scam analysis pages flagged their waterproof luxury slogan as misleading, several trust checker tools showed red alerts, and even potential malware warnings on related links. And the massive discount drops like $19.95 instead of $45 appear to be classic urgency tactics rather than genuine deals. As I went through the site, there were noticeable gaps in transparency, no clear ownership info, no straightforward business address, and very limited background on who's behind the brand. On top of that, trust scores from verification platforms were surprisingly low, which matched the flood of customer comments online describing unfulfilled orders, delayed shipments, or receiving jewelry that looked nothing like the ads. But at the same time, there were a few people saying they got their items without issues, which makes the whole situation even more confusing. Not exactly a scam label, but definitely not the clean, premium luxury experience the ads suggest either. With such a mix of red flags and scattered positive experiences, the real question becomes whether the risk is worth the price, and considering how many people reported bad or incomplete experiences, it's something every buyer should think twice about before clicking checkout. So is Amara Madison Jewelry truly offering affordable luxury or just another overhyped online brand? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what I found.